Hello and welcome back to the channel, everybody. Yes, so in this video we're going to give the Caravan a deep clean in terms of the exterior. It's still got some sort of moss and bits in places where it's come from the storage yard where I haven't actually given it the full detail. Yes, I've given it a quick wash, but not to the level that I want it to, and this is where we're going to cover that in this video. Sort of a shout out to Silky. These are products that I've used and still use as of today in terms of cleaning the Caravan. However, I've only used a couple of their products in the past, but yeah, they've sent me the full range to actually test out and review. So throughout this video we'll be touching on some of these, seeing how well they sort of cut through that grime and some of the markings on the Caravan, and I'll give you sort of an overall review at the end, just to sort of let you know my thoughts on them. Like with cleaning a vehicle or anything, like I say, there's a number of stages that we go through, and certainly for me, I'm going to start on the roof and then work down the panelling as we go, just so again you're not having to rework the same areas. So yeah, start at the top, work your way down, and like I say, different products will be used for different things, but yeah, we can cover that as we get to them. Rightio, so we're going to start off, give the Caravan a bit of a rinse first, just get some of the water, just plain water, to soak into any grime. Once we've done that, I'll mix up some of the deep clean, just so again we can go over any sort of stubborn stains that we've got on top of the roof and around the Caravan, and then we'll move on to some other products after that. So as you can see from the amount of sort of dirt and grime on the roof, you saw how easy it was for that deep clean just to cut through that. I must admit, this is one of the main products that I've used in the past, and yeah, I've been really pleased with. Like I say, it gets rid of any of the marks that I've had on the Caravan with ease, and yeah, probably one of the main ones I would recommend from the set to get it back to a really good shine to the Caravan and overall clean. So when it comes to actually getting rid of the sort of darker marks coming down the vents, you'll probably get them by the windows as well. Again, they do two products, well, one product but in two formats. So real concentrated stuff, and again, you're supposed to obviously dilute this down, but again, you can find the right consistency to really get that off, or they actually do a ready to use version, and again, out of the right ratio to be able to get those off. So yeah, I'll use that product next, just to get rid of the stubborn marks before we actually wash the sides. and as you can see, that takes the black marks that normally run down off really easy. Again, your normal cleaning products probably won't even touch that. It will clean it slightly but not actually get it to remove the marks. So what you can do is go around the caravan and find anything that again is more stubborn, apply this deeper clean to it before you actually do a wash. So right, I've been round, got the diluted version, the deep clean, got rid of any black marks around the caravan under the new windows, just to give that a chance to soak in. Obviously don't want to leave it on for too long. And now I'm going to go around with the actual Silky Cream. Now this will be really good on your plastics as well, from taking them from a yellow back to a white. And again, you can apply this slightly damp with a paintbrush, and it's just about going around all your seals, anywhere that you've got a build up of actually any grime, whether that's the awning round at the top or down the bottom. Again, you can apply this before finalising sort of a pre-wash before a shampoo, and then sort of a wax and wipe down to finish off. Rightio, so that is the Silky Cream cleaner applied. So what I've done there, as you saw, I've gone along there all the way around, up the top, across, down that side, back, around the door frame, around the arch, and then onto the actual vents themselves. Like I say, if your vents are slowly going yellow, by applying that and leaving it for a while, it'll bring it back to all white. Not obviously a perfect like brand new white, but certainly it'll get rid of the yellowing. But again, maybe just do one, apply it, leave for 10 minutes, then wipe it down, and then just compare the two, and you'll see the difference. But yeah, it is a really good product to actually clean everything up. It's great at that kind of thing, like I say, for getting rid of the yellowing on plastic. So now I'll just get on and get some of the side of the van washed now. So I'm going to move on to using the concentrated Silky. So this is one that you'll need to dilute down, so I'm going to apply this to the side of the caravan, followed by, I'll rinse that off and then follow that by a shampoo and wax just to finish off this side of the caravan, and then I'll show you what that looks like. So this is the finished product. I haven't used all the chemicals today, cleaners, but I'll go through what I have used to get it to this standard. But yeah, it's come up really nice. So yeah, that's the Caravan all cleaned up. It's not sort of the ultimate wash, but it's certainly, I've gone around all the panels, roof, got it into a much better state than it was in. We've used a number of the products, so we've used the Silky Clean to actually get some of the stubborn stains around the trim. We've used the Deep Clean, and that's around sort of getting rid of any of the black marks, and a general wash. And then we've used the shampoo and wax to finish off, and then use the chamois just to obviously clean it all up afterwards and get rid of any excess water. So that's really given a nice sort of look to the Caravan. Going forwards over the coming days, I'll look to use some of the other products just to give it a bit more of a sort of a shine, but it's come up really well, as you can see. So I'm really pleased with how clean it's come up in the shine. But again, these are the products that we've used before, so again, it's of no surprise of the quality that this has come out. So yeah, no, really good. Hopefully you can see the sort of nice finish to the Caravan. If you're interested in using any of the products, I'll leave a link in the description below. So just to sum up the products, like I say, this isn't a paid review or anything. Yes, they were sent to me to try out, but again, like I said, I had a number of these products already. But yeah, I would really recommend them. They come up really well once they're used in the right order. Yeah, really does do exactly what it says on the tin, really. Like I say, there's the stuff with the Deep Clean, as well as the shine as well. So again, yeah, there's certainly enough products there to really give yourself and the Caravan a look as if it's like brand new again. But yeah, overall, really pleased. So that's it for this week's video. Any comments, yeah, drop them below. As always, yeah, if you've liked the content, if you can give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, that'd be great. And yeah, we'll leave it there, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers all.